Thank you very much for joining us today, Martin. Great to have you on the show. Firstly, let's get your views on the kind of dream that many have in Africa for harmonization of capital markets. And there are, of course, varying degrees when it comes to the kind of modernization of these financial markets and stock markets. What is your view on this? Is this a realistic dream? And kind of what are the type of milestones that need to be reached in order to achieve it?
It is a good subject for discussion, but it's a subject which the conference we are having here in Johannesburg has already touched on, because some are looking at what is happening in Europe, where that approach has been taken before, is a lesson, is a basis to learn the way forward.
But Martin, I mean, when you're talking about, sorry, just butting in here, but if you're talking about Europe, a very different story when it comes to the development and the sophistication of those financial markets. How applicable is that kind of case study to Africa?
Well, the first issue is, as you rightly say, we are at a different stage of development in Africa. In the case of Zimbabwe, for instance, we are working on a number of initiatives to bring the systems in line with other exchanges. As an example, we are still working on setting up a depository, and we have got an automation program for the trading system. Now, other exchanges have moved beyond that. At the same time, it is also recognized that for national and sovereignty reasons, it's the issue of a common currency and a common systems is one which might bring in other stakeholders to discuss. So obviously it's not an easy issue, but it's something which all the markets are eagerly exploring at the moment.
Let's talk about the electronic equities trading system that you're looking to bring on early next year. Tell us about the cost of this to the exchange, and is 2013 going to be the year when we see automated trading taking place?
2013 is certainly the year that you will see a depository being implemented in Zimbabwe. We have just gone past the phase of company formation at this time, and a number of possible suppliers are being engaged to find a most appropriate solution for Zimbabwe.
Another issue, of course, on the cards, as there are for many African stock exchanges, is demutualization. And there have been kind of more and more reports that we are moving towards that. Are there any timelines in place for when that might happen?
The demutualization efforts are actually being progressed parallel to the depository itself. As we speak right now, there's a committee which has been put in place involving all the stakeholders to oversee this process, and it's something that could see having been progressed significantly within the next 6 to 12 months.
So, next 6 to 12 months. Thank you so much for joining us today, Martin. Great to have you with us. Enjoy the rest of the conference here in Johannesburg. Martin Matanda, Acting CEO of the Zimbabwe Stock Exchange.